This BT Tyro has a narrow turning radius, operating well in limited spaces, and fast charging. On behalf of Itisak Limited Partnership, we have been selling beverages for over 10 years. Before buying BT Tyro, we required a lot of manpower and strength to operate hand pallet trucks. Since hand pallet trucks require more manpower, we needed more staff that had to help each other to move items, causing delays and wasted time while working. The staff were always exhausted from moving and handling our products. Hand pallet trucks also cannot operate well in limited spaces. After switching to BT Tyro, we found that it is easy to use in limited spaces and requires only one person to operate. As a result, we could be more productive. This lets our staff operate smoothly and conveniently with safety as their primary concern. Moreover, BT Tyro can be used with all kinds of pallets without complication. It facilitates our workflow process well. This makes me impressed with Toyota.